In this video, Sammy's going to show you how you can replace the rear tail light on a Ram 1500.
So today, we're going to be replacing the tail light on this 2017 or something Ram 1500. So what you're going to want to do, there's two T25 screws. This one has a Tommy gate in the way. It makes it a bit harder to get in, but if you look, there's going to be one right here and one right there at the bottom. The T25s, so you're going to take them out real quick. So there's one of them. Once you have that off, you can see this headlight usually is going to be clipped in. You got to yank it. This one, the clips are broken because it's been damaged. Once it's out like that, you can take it, unplug the lights. And unplug the lights, you're just going to squeeze down here, I think. Take a look at this. Or to pop the bulb out, which what I'm just going to do is going to turn it, pull out. Same with this bottom one here. Just going to turn it and pull out. See, this bulb's kind of, there's a lot of corrosion on this one, but you see, you just pop it out like that. So then if you're replacing the bulbs, you can just put them in, turn them back. The one we're doing already came with new bulbs, so you're going to want to disconnect this. You're going to push this red tab back, and then you can push down the safety clip. Just kind of. Here's our new light. So you can see it has these two little things which slide into here, but these clips seem to be broken off. And then there's the two holes in here, so we're going to go plug in the harness. Hold on. Share that little click, do a tug test. Do your best not to touch the outside of the bulb. Now we're going to take these, put them back in. Got to do some turning just to find where the little lines line up. Let's get it in, turn to the right. Same with this bottom one. Turn it to the right. Now it's in there, you're just going to kind of, it's gone too far. Alright, now that it's in there, just going to kind of slide it on in. It should clip in, but the clips that are here that usually slide in are all broken, so we're just going to have to bolt it down. So we have it pressed up against here. Just kind of fits the screws in. It's a lot easier if you have a normal bed. You gotta deal with a lift gate in the back, but it's definitely not too hard at all. Now you have them all in there, just gonna tighten them down.